Hello dost, today I am gonna for the how to start in which when your battery is dead, so you have to check if your tractor battery is low, so how can you start. So first you have to see that this is the air cleaner. That's the first moment you have to open that. सबसे पहले आप इसको खोलेंगे, फिर उसके बाद आपको यहाँ पे एक ये दिखेगा, इसको आपको पूरी तरह ऐसे आपके पंजे से उसको पूरा बंद करना पड़ेगा. देन यू हैव टू स्टार्ट दैट सेल्फ. व्हेन दैट इज टेकिंग 2 or 3 राउंड्स, देन यू हैव टू free that. When then your tractor will be start. So today I am going for start. How can we start in that situation? Yeah, okay, I just show you. Okay, now you can see now this the tractor is already started, and now you have to close that air cleaner. You have to close. When and after 30 minutes and 20 minutes you can stop your tractor engine, and okay, and now I'm going to finish that. Bye bye.